Hello, my name is Curtis Taylor, and I am presenting to you the xamCarouselListBox by Infragistics. This is a WPF control, which is very dynamic in nature. So the carousel is a control that draws objects along a path. So to start this off, I'm going to create a custom path, which I've already done here, and I'm going to assign that to a resource. An easy way to do that is to simply access the property of the container which is holding the path, and to locate the advanced property options and choose to convert to new resource. Here I will name this custom path. Next, I will take this border element. First I will pin the active container, and I will add a xamCarouselListBox. The carousel list box is part of the Infragistics Net Advantage suite of controls. That's already been added to the references here. So I will simply go to the asset library, go to the custom controls, and locate the xamCarouselListBox control. And at this point I could simply add it by double-clicking on it, and it becomes part of this bordered element I have here. Next, I will make sure the xamCarouselListBox is the active container. I can do that by pinning it in Expression Blend 3. And here I'll add an image to it one at a time. And I'll make sure my window fills the center of the screen. Now if you notice, a default path is being added and the images are being assigned to it at its original size. So to fix that, I can set the item size of the carousel items. So first of all, I need to add a new view settings to the carousel list box, and that is located in the miscellaneous section at the bottom here in the properties for the xamCarouselListBox. So if I choose the new button, I can expand all these properties that are part of the view settings. So here I can set the item size. I will set this to 256 by 192, which is the original size of these images. Next, I will set the item path to the path I specified in the resources, which I can access here in the advanced options. Next thing I could do to customize this would be to set the scaling effect stops, which will affect scaling along the path. So here in this custom view, I can choose stops along the path. 0 would be the first position on the stop on the path. I will size it to 0.25%. Next along the path I will set it at 0.5, which would be halfway. Here I will set this to 0.5. Next I will set the scaling to go to 1, which is 100%, at the last position on the path, which is 1. So as you see, it's from 0 to 1. Next, if I run it, you can see what we have so far. So as I would have expected it, the carousel is being assigned to the custom path with my images and my scaling effect stops. So there are various other customizations you could do, such as setting the opacity, the skew, and the Z order as well. And since this is a list box, I can select the objects using multiple selection. So that's it for now, and I hope you enjoy working with the xamCarouselListBox, and we'll show you more controls later.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.